Hey, Green Book Networks Publishing. Okay, I'm gonna say hello, but first let me follow him. And I'm gonna say hello. Thanks for this mighty network. Okay, and then I'm gonna back up and see. Ooh, planting trees. Let's see. Referral candy. What's that? Oh, here's a free tree. So Wellman Omar thinks you'll love One Tree Planet. So here's a free tree you can plant in nature. Okay, plant a tree. Let's see. What is. Ooh, where we plant. Wow, nonprofit charity on a mission of global reforestation. So I could plant a tree in North America, Latin America, Africa, Asia, Europe, in the Pacific. Let's see what's in Africa. Okay, they're going to rebuild animal habitat, restore soil and critical watersheds, all while improving the lives of communities. Okay, because we definitely rely on the forest the most. Folks got to understand the connection, the human connection to plant life. It's like a symbiotic relationship. Gotta have it. Wow. Okay, select one of our tree planting projects to learn more about. Okay, F100 plant trees in America, biodiversity, Cote d'Ivoire, Ethiopia, Ghana, Kenya, Maui, and plant trees for chimpanzees. Never thought about that. They gotta have something. That's a place to live. Rwanda, Tanzania, and Uganda. Let me see. Let me go back up. Thought I saw something that captured me. I like biodiversity. Let's see that. Biodiversity. It's a $1 tree. Hmm. Biodiversity, the variety of life on Earth in all forms and interaction, thrives in healthy habitats when nature can recover after ecological disturbances. Okay, so reforestation is essential for this process. What is it going to do? It's going to contribute and protect all the endangered species by increasing forest cover. It's going to restore holistic ecosystems for a range of flora and fauna. Oh, I like that one. Okay, improving soil stability. Yeah, I like that one. So I could do a one-time donation. Let's start with one tree. And let's do a recurring donation. Let's see. Okay. Well, oh, that's right. I got one. Let's do one time because that was the gift. Okay. So plant trees and add a note. What could I say? No. So let me check. Oh, there's my credit of $1. Oh, I see how it's free now. Okay, let me just check out. Okay, cost me nothing because that was the gift. Express checkout. I'll do PayPal. It's gonna log me in. Let's see. No. Oh, I didn't have to do PayPal. Okay, there's my order summary. Asked me for $0 because it was a gift. Okay, order completed. Your order is free. No payment required. This is awesome. I just planted a tree in Africa for biodiversity. Amazing. Ha! Cool. I gotta share this with everybody. Okay, so no, my order is free, no payment required. I missed this one, but okay, got it now. Hit that. Your order's being processed. Ooh, thank you, Rona. Orders confirmed. Hey.